All right, hello traders. Welcome back to my daily trade journal series where I try to journal every session because I believe accountability is key to growth as a trader. And today I made about $428.76 trading MES today. So after a good week of sleep and overall health, everything's doing really well. Trade balance is starting to reflect in that. So we've been having a pretty green week overall. The VX Algo system gave us a few signals today. Wow, look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern here and here. A bigger inverse head and shoulder pattern. Interesting. Didn't even realize that. So the VX Algo system gave us a few signals. We had a market structure flipping bullish at around 417. That kind of carried the market up to this morning where we were. And then 9:50 a.m. market structure flipped bearish. And then we dropped a little bit more, back tested the 5-minute MOB and rejected that. So you can see here, bam, bam here, huge rejection. And then at 12, we had a buy signal that was over here that pushed us upwards and up higher. And then we had a bullish structure change at 102 around here. And that pushed us higher. Essentially also told us to buy the dip as well here. And then we went up closing higher, but ended the day around 6,300. So pretty good day if you know what you're doing, if you know the levels that you're looking at. It was a little bit wild because we had a lot of sharp moves that happened, like here. There was double rejection here that happened very sharply, like just instantly. And that was mainly because there was news that surfaced that Trump might fire our Fed Chair Powell. And then he backed off that threat um, after 12, I believe. So around here, he backed off the threat. And naturally, as that happened, the market dropped because of the threat, right? And then once he backed off the threat, the market naturally recovered it up because the only reason it dropped was because of the potential of Powell being fired. So that was a huge volatility from news, Twitter, and whatnot. And the key lesson here is just kind of trust the process, trust the signals. We had a huge level that we were looking at over here at 62.57. That was also the overnight support level there as well. And then 62.40, this is a gamma level for today, but this was very far off. I don't think a lot of people would have caught this. This was probably more of a stop hunt as it dropped down about, yeah, more than 10 points, about 17 points under this level. So a lot of people would have gotten stopped out, and that would end up being a liquidity grab to kind of push us back higher. So but overall, I thought it was a pretty good eventful day. And then for tomorrow, I would I would watch this zone here. So for tomorrow, I would watch the 62.90 zone. We have a few moving average conversion there. So I'm expecting that zone to hold. And then if those zone doesn't hold, then we have that 62.80 to 62.85 area there. If that is all lost, then we're fully bearish again. Just like how we said it yesterday. If we lose 62.85, if you watch the trade journal, I said if we lose 62.85, we're most likely going down more. And that happened. We did go down more, right? So then if we broke over 62.90, we're most likely gonna go up. So like that happened here. Today we broke over it, back tested, used that 62.90 area support, and we continue to grind up. So good trading day. They've been respecting these levels really well. So I would watch them carefully. And if you find this transparent trading helpful, subscribe to our channel and thumbs up and continue pushing out more of these content for you guys. And hopefully you guys learn some stuff along the process and make money trading. Good luck and have a great day. Thank you for stopping by.